Beauties, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. And I'm making a chicken breast stir fry today. And the first thing I'm going to do, so we have nice chicken breast. And you can use, if you like, chicken thigh for this. Chicken thigh works really well. I've used it many times. I'm using chicken breast today. And what we're going to do here is I took the back skin off and I'm just kind of cutting up the chicken so we get some nice bite-sized pieces going here. And the first thing I'm doing is I've got them going in the pan over here, and we are getting them browned up a little bit. I'm going to get just a minute, some salt on it, and then we're going to get some beautiful soy sauce, and then we're going to continue on and start to cut up our veggies for this. And we'll just get it right in there and get this out of my way. Okay, now I'll rinse my fingers, and then we're going to go back over here to our pan. And over here on the stove, I have a pan here, and this pan I'm making some basmati rice. So we have rice today, and I've used the beautiful, delicious, if you watch the chicken broth videotapes, we have chicken broth in there. Okay, and this is good. Let's just get this out of our way. All right, let's get some garlic here. I'm using garlic powder. You can use regular garlic. Let's get some salt. Don't do too much salt because I'm going to come into this now with some light soy sauce, okay? So we're going to get this going. We've got our herbs on there. All right, and then we're going to get some soy sauce on here, just so we can get some color. Okay, we'll get some color going. Okay, and we're going to let that go for just a couple of minutes, and we are going to continue on as soon as we get a nice color on our, and I can smell soy sauce. So we want to get these with a nice color on them. Okay, we'll just let them go here, and then we'll take them out in a minute. All right, and let's start, because we need to start cutting some veggies here on this board. And let's get some celery. We're making a stir fry, so, you know, if you got leftover veggies, you got leftover things you can throw in whatever you got, right? Okay, and we're just chopping up some celery because we're going to go in with some onion and celery first here. Okay, so here we go. We'll just cut this all up and hold this for just a second and take a look here, and we got a nice color going on our chicken breast. Here we go. And what we're going to do is take our chicken breast out, and I'm going to set them right over here out of the way. And you can leave in some soy sauce, it's okay. Leave it, because what we're going to do is just add a little bit of sesame oil to this now. Sesame oil is a good finishing oil, but it also makes things nice and delicious. All right? Because we're making a stir fry, righty? Okay, so that's heating up nice. Let's get our celery in here. All righty, we'll get some celery. We like our veggies in the Carpizzo house. So, for those of you that like veggies, we like veggies. Okay, so there we go. And then I think we got some onion here we can cut up. Let's cut up some onion. So, I've got that going in the pot over there. And we start with the things that are the hardest to cook. And what we do is, depending on how your family likes it, we like it a little softer than normally you would get it out in a restaurant where it's harder. So we like it a little softer. And so right in with our onion. And what we're going to do is just get these mixed up and going here now. Okay. Now, I like to steam the veggies as I cook them, but I'm also doing with some soy sauce today. So let's get some soy sauce in here and get this all good and tasty. All right, I'll add just a little salt, not a lot, and a little garlic. You can use minced garlic. You can use whatever kind of garlic you like. And let's get some peppers in here now. I have some peppers here. Let's just slice up some peppers. Let's get them in there. Because what this is all about is, as you saw, a little bit of meat and a lot of veggies. So we get veggies, we get meat, and we get some of the
minerals, meat, Vitamita Vegemin.
Vitamita Vegemin, right, Anthony? Okay, so we get all these things. Okay, and we'll just cut these up. Anyway, just so that they're nice size. And we got some color going now.
Looks beautiful, yeah.
Yeah, and I think we'll get some squash in here. We have some squash. Okay. And I like to steam do these. Okay. So let's move this out of the way so you guys can see it here. And what I'm going to do is get this all mixed up. Now I've got the soy sauce in here. Okay.
Smells good.
And now what I'm going to do, while Anthony's showing you how this pan is going, I'm going to get some beautiful Chinese 5-spice. Now what is Chinese 5-spice, you're asking me? Okay, this is Chinese 5-spice. It's got 5 different things: cinnamon, anise, fennel, ginger, cloves, and licorice root. And this gives us a nice, delicious idea like you're in the Chinese restaurant. So what I like to do is just sprinkle this across the top. Oh, about a 1/4 teaspoon. It's pretty strong as it is. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a little bit of chicken stock to this. And then we'll see if we need to thicken it after we add our chicken back in and go from there. Okay, so when we come back, we are going to add some chicken stock and add our chicken back in and finish this dish up, because what we've got going is a quick stir fry, heavy on the veggies, light on the meat. Pete out!